Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. From the feast we celebrate today, the memorial of Saints Poncian and Hippolytus, and maybe just a bit of a trivia. Saint Hippolytus was the one, or we attribute to him, the Eucharistic prayer we seldom hear every day, the one that the priest prays when he consecrates the bread and wine, the Eucharistic prayer too. Sa kanya po natin ito ina-attribute as his authorship. And from the readings we have today, especially the Gospel, there seems to be a powerful message or reminder how things are done or beautifully done together. May wisdom, may dahilan, may ganda kapag ginawa ang mga bagay-bagay ng sama-sama. Jesus gave us this story on how it is to correct someone rightly. And to correct someone rightly, do it together. Call a witness, call some others, call the church. Sama-samang magtatama, sama-samang mag-aayusan ng pagkakamali. And Jesus did not end there. Once more, the power of knowing what to pray together, of praying together, and being with the Lord together is something that is powerful. Because we hold such promise that wherever two or three are gathered in His name, there He is in the midst of them. Masasabi natin na hindi lang pala magandang ginagawa ang mga bagay ng sabay-sabay. Hindi lang pala maganda na mag-ayusan o magbatian ng sama-sama o manalangin ng sama-sama. Bagkus sa pagsasama, buhay ang Panginoon. He is there to guide, He is there to inspire, He is there to wake us up when things are going against the tides of God. Let us not take for granted when we are asked as well to do things together. More so whenever we are, or whenever it is meant to correct someone, or whenever such moments are dedicated to encounter God. Because we will surely achieve significant things when we do things together. We also reap our prayers when we do it together. And such is something we also need to bring with. It is not only ourselves and others doing things, saying sorry or praying, but the Lord is with our togetherness. And such is our invitation and good news. Be at peace together, pray together, and know that Jesus is with us even when we are together.